Today I'm going to be looking at the little motorcycle that I bought from my youngest son, and one of those things where didn't really plan to buy it. We went down and I had to pick up a part for the King Quad in there, and we were looking around and seen this little bike here, Suzuki DR200S, and it's a 2020 model, and they had it marked down probably about $1,500 or so, trying to get rid of it. And so we decided to pick it up, and so far I like it. It's only a a little 199cc engine, but my son really likes it. He's 15, so he's just learning. He's never rode before, rode a motorcycle, but he's really picked it up, and I thought this would be a really good bike for him to learn on. And it's street legal. It did have a paper tag, but we got to put the regular tag back on, but it's all street legal to ride, and it is what it says it is. It's dual sport. It's for highway and it's got these dirt bike-ish tires on it to ride around, and it is a fun bike because when we went and picked it up, and we didn't plan on buying it, so I didn't have a trailer or nothing. I just drove it home. And it tops out at about 55 probably. I didn't actually go as fast as it would go, but it's very, very basic. But this is a fun little bike to ride. I mean, I've rode it around, and it's really fun to ride. There's not much to it. I'm not gonna be a real long video on this thing, but I mean it's a nice bike. Just horn, basic features, high and low beams, just your speedometer, your neutral light, high beam, your kill switch, I think that's what that is. Anyway, and electric start. I mean, it's 1 down, 4 up. Just carburetor, chain, there's nothing fancy. It's basic, but it's a fun bike to ride. I mean, I'm over 200 pounds. I'm probably 220, and I mean, I don't have any problems with that. Now, you're not going to catwalk this thing really or anything like that, but just for riding, I mean, it's a fun little bike to ride. And like I say, there's nothing special about it, just to walk around. I mean, it's really basic, but I think that's why I like it so much, is because it really is just a basic, fun little bike to ride. And for him, it's perfect. I think it's a perfect bike to learn on and to get started. And it does got some passenger foot pegs, and like I say, it's got a little bit of a, I think this is your little storage. I hadn't even ever took that off actually. Toolkit, and a bike, for your helmet, and but it's really basic, but it's fun. I'm probably gonna put my GoPro on and just get a little video riding around on it. But just to give a quick little brief walk around, I mean, it's it's a fun bike, and I think it actually, I like the sporty look of it, but also one that you can ride on the street with. And so it's a nice bike. There's really not much to say about it, but just wanted to do a quick video on it. And so I'll just get some video riding around. So I'll be back.